Yeah. Yeah. It's amazing how hard it is to find gluten-free bread in Walmart. I thought Walmart had everything. Oh my God. You sneezed in my direction. You coughed in my direction. I got the corona. Who do you think you are not wearing a mask? You're threatening my public safety. You're invading my human rights. Someone call the cops. Someone call the cops. Hold on, guys. What's going on? Well, this guy is not wearing a mask. I want him arrested. Kick him out of the store. Calm down, Karen. Let me get your side. What happened?
But they ain't gonna touch it. They put nigga touch it. They put nigga body shit. They put nigga body shit.
What the f did you say? Look at his face. He has poo-poo on it. That's gotta be a symptom of COVID-19. Have him arrested.
But they ain't gonna touch it. They put nigga touch it. They put nigga.
Blake La Mira. Nigga.
Gang gang. It's lit.